Imagine you're at a party in 600 BCE. Everyone is talking about how Zeus is throwing lightning bolts because he's cranky again, or how Poseidon is making the seas choppy because he lost his car keys. But then, there's this one guy in the corner, Thales of Miletus. He's sipping his drink, looking at the ocean. And he says, "Hey guys, what if it's not angry gods? What if everything is just wet?"
Huh?
Today, we're talking about the birth of Western philosophy and the Milesian school, Thales, Anaximander, Anaximenes, the original science brothers, who decided that maybe, just maybe, the universe wasn't a soap opera starring mountain-dwelling deities. Before Thales, if your crops died, you blamed a curse. If there was an earthquake, the gods were bowling. But Thales and his buddies were the first to look for rational explanations. They were looking for the Arche. Arche is a Greek word meaning the source, or the fundamental nature of everything. Thales was basically the first person to ask, what is the universe made of when you strip away the sparkles? Thales eventually looked around and concluded, everything is water. Now, before you meme him, listen to his logic. Life needs it. If you don't drink water, you turn into a raisin and die. All living things are moist. It's a shapeshifter. It's the only thing he saw that could be a solid ice, a liquid water, and a gas steam. The Earth floats. He literally thought the Earth was a flat disk floating on a giant cosmic ocean, which explains earthquakes. The boat just hit a wave. Nothing is more active than thought, for it flies over the whole universe. Thales, the original overthinker. While Thales was the water guy, the Greeks eventually settled on a fantastic four of elements. Earth equals solids, rocks, dirt, your phone. Water equals liquids. Air equals gases. Fire equals plasma and pure energy. Thales believed water was the main character that created the others. He thought when water condensed, it became earth. When it evaporated, it became air. And when air gets super spicy and heated, it becomes fire. It's like a cosmic Pokemon evolution. You might be thinking, okay, cool, he was wrong. Everything is actually made of atoms, quarks, and existential dread. But Thales matters because he changed the rules of the game. He stopped saying the gods did it and started saying, I observe this, therefore I think this. He paved the way for Anaximander, who thought the source was an infinite boundless substance, and Anaximenes, who was team air. They started a massive debate that hasn't stopped for 2,600 years. Without the water guy, we might not have physics, chemistry, or that cool science section in the library. Subscribe for more Ancient Brains story. Thank you.